In today's manufacturing, speed and efficiency are everything. But are your teams truly connected? Is vital information reaching the right person fast enough? Imagine a factory where communication flows effortlessly, where supervisors have real-time visibility, coordinating teams without delay, where operators have instant access to the information they need and can report issues the moment they happen. What if machine alerts went directly to maintenance no matter where they are, enabling faster response, minimizing costly downtime, and most critically, ensuring the safety of your people? A dedicated alarm button, sending immediate alerts, so help arrives fast. This is the power of a connected factory. Enterprise mobility solutions transforming communication, streamlining workflows, empowering your people. We envision a future where connections between people, data, and innovation redefine the way people work. Explore how to connect your factory